This is Steve. We would like continue to learn Kiluba. We BIYUKANA BIDINGE Kokamona KINSANKA BEBA BIYUKANA BIDINGE Kokamona KINSANKA BEBA. This proverb is for us in the way given to us in a way that we can use it when we especially for somebody who's disorganized. I think that's my view. If you are somebody is disorganized, you can give him this proverb saying that BIYUKANA BIDINGE Kokamona KINSANKA BEBA. And this proverb said, what will be known easily, what will be known is what is full. If it's full, it's filled up, it will be well controlled. You know what's going on. But if it's halfway, wherever it's halfway, people can be stealing and doing stuff you are not gonna know. So this proverb kind of invites us to be organized. Be organized, you will know what's going on. If you are not organized, you suffer. People will be destroying you. People could be stealing your stuff, and you are not gonna know. BIYUKANA BIDINGE Kokamona KINSANKA BEBA. Kinsanka means it's not full. What is not full? It's hard to just look and know that whatever you have there still there. It may be. What's a good example? Example is just probably you. Let's talk about water. You have your container filled up with water, for instance. If it filled up, you can see it, you know no one touched. But if it's halfway, if somebody touches, you may not know, unless you put some if it's graduate, so there's like numbers. But most of the time this proverb is just addressed to if it's halfway, you are not gonna know if somebody took something or not. So it invites us to organization. It can be in your room, in your office, workplaces. You need to be organized. If you are organized, you will know if somebody touches, somebody's stealing, or somebody's moving something away. Organization. Be organized. So let's go now to, I hope you understand it. Let me just explain very briefly. Read exactly what I wrote. It said, BIYUKANA BIDINGE Kokamona KINSANKA BEBA. You will know the amount in a full container, but you can't tell the amount in a half or empty container, or in a half empty container. If it's half empty vessel or container, you may not know. So it's enticing all of us to organization. Let's be organized. We will be able to catch if somebody is destroying us, trying to steal something from us. We will easily know. Now let's go to words. Words like a BIYUKANA. It will be known. That's what I thought. I think it means it will be known, or it is known. BIYUKANA. It is known. It will be known. They will be known. Something like that. BIYUKANA. BIDINGE. It is full. BIDINGE. BIDINGE means being full. BIDINGE. It's full. It is filled up. And so Kokamona. I believe this is used in a way that it is difficult to see. It is difficult to see. Kokamona. If I go in a very strict way, Kokamona is just like they're saying you can't see well. and Kokamona you're not gonna see. But ko always, we spoke about it, ko always kind of introduce negativity. But in this proverb, it just means it's hard for you to see. It's hard for you to see if somebody's taking away or something or not. It's hard for you to see. Kokamona bya KINSANKA BEBA. What is halfway, that's what they're stealing. Bia, it shows direction. Bia KINSANKA. What is, that's what it means. KINSANKA means not full, half empty, half full. It's not full. What is not full, it's easy for people to steal, and it's difficult for you to see if somebody, or to catch the thief, or to catch the one who's stealing. It's hard for you to see. And in bio, it means that is what. BEBA, what, that is what they are stealing. That is what. BEBA means they steal. BEBA means they steal. Alright, we did it. Let's go to verbs. I guess by now you are used to the style. I didn't change anything, but over time I'll change. I'm still waiting here and there of reaction. If there's no reaction, I will continue my way of teaching, which I believe still good one, and I hope you getting something, and maybe over time I will get the real students here. My students, most of them my children, are busy doing other stuff. So let's go to verbs. The verbs are KUYUKA. KUYUKA means to know, and to know, verb to know, verb KUYUKA. In this, I feel like when in my reading of different book of Kiluba, I noticed that most people link the verbs together, contrary to what we see in French or in English. The verb and the pronoun are separated. Yeah. So I started linking them to try to be uniform with everybody else here and there. So it's here the verb KUYUKA. So it means NAYUKA, I know. NAYUKA, WAYUKA, you know. WAYUKA, he knows or she knows. TUAYUKA or TUBAYUKA, we know. MUAYUKA, you know. ABAYUKA, they know. Okay, and the verb KUDINGA, to fill or fill up, or to fill. I feel like we will stop by to fill. The verb to fill. NADINGE, I filled, to fill up or fill. I fill. WADINGE, you fill. WADINGE, he feels or they feels. And TUBADINGE, we feel. MUBADINGE, they feel. ABADINGE, they feel. So that's the verb to fill up an empty bucket or an empty container, vessel, and so on. And the verb KUMONA, verb to see. NAMONE, I see you. Here I say NAMONE, I see. And so let's say NAMONE, I see. WAMONE, you see. WAMONE, he sees or she sees. TUBAMONE or TUAMONE, we see. MUAMONE or MUBAMONE, you see. ABAMONE, they see. So very easy. And I don't forget NAMONE could say we could say NAMONE, but I try to put a more frequent way of talking. Let's go to KUIBA. KUIBA. I don't think it's the best verb in the world. Verb to steal. Not the best way, but in verb, I love the verb to love and to give. Those are my best verb. Kusanswa, and to give is to give in Kiluba, Kuba. Let's go to KUIBA. We already we conjugated all those verbs already. Let's go. Verb KUIBA. NAIBE, I steal. WAIBE, you steal. WAIBE, he steals or she steals. TUAIBE or TUBAIBE, we steal. MUBAIBE or MUAIBE, you steal. ABAIBE, they steal. So those are the verb we have today. So very interesting proverb. BIYUKANA BIDINGE, Kokamona bya KINSANKA BEBA. Kokamona bya KINSANKA BEBA. BIYUKANA BIDINGE. I guess if you just retain like myself, I mostly know BIYUKANA BIDINGE, which means that it's easy to know when it is full. When it is full, you know that there is nothing happened to it. But bya KINSANKA BEBA, in a very disorganized room, you are not gonna know if your money is still where it's supposed to be. You are not gonna know the amount you have is still there if the things are not organized. BIYUKANA BIDINGE. Very interesting proverb that the elders left us. So it is important for you to practice that and practice the verbs, and that's the way you learn the language. Thank you for listening. God bless you.